In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an estimate in QuickBooks. So let's get started. So here we are in QuickBooks, and from here is that you want to click here on New on the top left once you're logged in and go into Estimate. And this is where you can create your estimate. So just input all the details in here. Now, before you do that, I suggest choosing your design first. But if you're fine with the default one, then you can just input it right here. And we can click here on Customize, and this is where we can click on New Style if you don't have a style right here, or you could also edit your current estimate right here. So I'm going to click here on New Style. And this is where you can add your own unique logo, splash on some color, get choosy with your font, and so on. So for example, I'm going to go for this color. You can add your logo, or you could also go for the templates in here. And then go here for the content. So like for example, as for this one right here, you could edit this like the business name, phone number, and so on right there. And yeah, this is where you can edit them. And next is that you have your email. So this is where you could customize that also. And then once you're done, you can now click here on Done. And you will now be prompted back in here. And now is that you can click here on New again and go into Estimate. Next is that you want to click here and Customize again, and then you should now be able to see that right here. So in my case, I didn't had a name for that, or I didn't add a name. So I only have my estimate template right here. And now let's go back in here, and I will create this sample basic estimate right here. So first is that, most importantly, select your customer in here. If you have added them already here in your QuickBooks account, then you can select them from here, and then all their details will be automatically inputted right here on the estimate. If not, then you can add new, or you could just manually input the details right here. Now I am done inputting some of the values right here. So let's say that we are now done inputting everything that we would need to be on the estimate. Click here on Save, or you could click here on Save and Send. And then you could now just input the email right here to send it. So let's say I'm going to go for this email. Click on Save and Send. And it will now be sent into the email, and this is where you can see that and how it would look like. You could also edit here the body and then the subject. You can now click here on Send and Close once you are ready, and that's it. That's how you can create an estimate in QuickBooks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a subcategory in QuickBooks. So let's get started. So here we are in QuickBooks, and from here what we need to do is to go into Chart of Accounts first. So click here on the gear icon on the top right and go into the Chart of Accounts, which is this one. Now in here is that you would want to go and create a new account. So click here on New Account button on the top right. Click on that. And then you'll be prompted in here. So provide the account name for this item. Let's say that I just bought a new car, maybe something like that. And then the account type is, I'm going to go for a vehicle for this one right here. So this would be a fixed asset, for example, and then detail type is a vehicle. Now, to add a subcategory is that you want to click here on Make This a Sub Account, and then you'd now be able to add a parent account from here. So now you can choose one. So new vehicle, property, new furniture, accumulated depreciation, and so on. So in my case, it's this one right here. Let's say that new vehicle right here, and then you can now input the original cost and the other details in here, like a description, and then you could also go for depreciation and create a new category. And once you're done, you can now click here on save, and it will now be saved right here. When I search for it, it should now be right here. So yeah, here it is on how you would be able to add a subcategory in QuickBooks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.